Good morning, Cozumel. Oh, we've done that. The twister boat, that's so fun.
And there it goes.
Look at all the people getting off the ship. We're all in.
Come now.
Made it. We're going to Mr. Sanchos.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. We've heard such good things about Mr. Sanchos. Never been ourselves, so we decided that's what we're gonna do today. And we're off the ship.
It's raining.
And it's sprinkling.
Oh yeah, it's raining.
Oh, no sprinkles.
My toesies are wet.
Your toesies are wet?
Yes.
It's sprinkling, so we're about
Right
to cover
before
the
we get in the
camera
ocean,
until we
cheers.
get inside. It's pouring. Pouring. So we have taken refuge in Fat Tuesdays, and a local guy said he checked the weather and it's supposed to rain and stop and rain and stop and rain and stop for the next 4 hours. So we're gonna wait for it to stop, and then we're gonna go to the taxi station and head to Mr. Sanchos. But for now, we're just gonna chill. Look at the rain!
Embrace it.
Look way out there. It's like completely right out there. It's just gray.
Yeah.
It's so thick. Dense with gray. You know?
What?
Humans, we're waterproof. Water does not hurt us. We're just annoyed by it.
It's, yeah.
Just walk outside and embrace it.
Right, it doesn't hurt us, we're just annoyed by it. Good observation.
I can prove my point right now.
It's
Yes.
putting a damper on our day.
You're funny, honey. How would you like to be on that Twister speedboat right now?
That would sting.
That would sting bad.
Well, you'd still be getting wet either way.
Yeah, but you're going really fast and this rain would be stinging you in the face.
We're holding a towel.
We're holding a towel over the camera because the wind is blowing in sideways at us.
We are sopping wet.
Yeah.
We're sitting at a table at Fat Tuesdays under the covering and we're still getting wet because the rain is coming in sideways.
Sorry. Dark wind.
And
Snap.
it's not like one big gray cloud. It's just, it's
It's lots
Oh
and
my
lots
god,
of
I
rain.
can't see it and my eyes are full
like,
of water.
it's literally a downpour.
Yeah.
I was saying it was gonna rain and I said we probably shouldn't go on the thing.
If we would have waited,
Oh, there's the lights.
if we would have waited another 10 minutes, we wouldn't have gotten off the ship.
Exactly.
But we did get off the ship and it started raining like kind of heavy going from the gangway to the building.
Now
we should have
it's
turned
raining
around.
Harder.
That's that.
raining harder now.
It's that. Should have turned around.
We should have turned
My
around.
pants
but
are
we
wet.
didn't.
We're all wet. I'm slouched over right now.
So, party at Fat Tuesdays. It's quite full in here. At this point, we're not seeing Mr. Sanchos in our future.
Nope.
I would like to go grocery shopping, but it's too wet.
If it magically clears up, we're gonna go. If not, when it slows down, we're gonna go back to the ship.
I hate to say it, I don't think there's going to be much magic on this. But, you know, crazier things have happened.
Yeah.
They should change the name of this song to Don't Need Nothing But a Poncho.
My leg is wet, and that's
They're
about
in the
it.
other backpack.
Oh yeah, that's what I said earlier. It's like, I have ponchos in the other backpack on the ship.
That's great. It's very great.
I brought the snorkeling gear, okay, not the ponchos. We thought we were going
We can get the
snorkeling.
snorkel
Well,
mask
it's raining
and
hard
book
enough
it.
to wear the snorkeling gear. It's probably good. We probably might want to strap it up when we start heading back to
I
the
know,
ship.
the boys are like, let's just
We'll be
put the
so
snorkel
extra.
masks on and go.
We'll be so extra.
We'll have, like-
you have to go, bro.
We'll have face
Yes.
shields.
Look, that's a new sign right there. So the rain slacked off a bit. We're gonna be brave. Cover my camera.
You know, it looks like it's not clear. It's just not clear, but there are some light spots over there, but there's a lot of gray still. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. We'll probably just wander a bit here.
Yeah.
give it a few more
Decide.
minutes,
Make a
whatever,
decision.
Make a decision, and then call it.
Yep.
One way or
Putting
the
on
other.
the snorkel mask.
One way or the other.
Whenever and whatever. I'm putting one on.
I really want to put a snorkel mask on and just walk around without my shirt.
If it starts raining really heavy again, we're totally doing
I
that.
think the people need to see that.
We're taking refuge
Very wet.
in a shop because it started pouring again. A liquor shop.
Yeah. That looks like
We're
better
dry
alcohol.
hopping.
We're But this is hilarious. Like, look, people who want to come to Mexico and buy cigarettes,
Anybody want a pack of cigarettes?
smoking kills.
Look here, die younger.
Look, die younger.
You know, it's
There
true.
it is. Die younger. Smokers die younger.
They really make it inviting.
Yeah, it's like, you sure you want to buy them cigarettes?
Really a dumb idea, but if you insist.
On a positive note, there's yummy chocolate in here.
Who would spend $64 on those? That's it.
A smoker, because it's a lot cheaper than it is back at home. Yeah, we took refuge in the cigarette and liquor shop on complete accident.
Mom, it's the liquor.
Oh, and perfume, and chocolate, and perfume. Yes,
What goes good with alcohol?
yes. Oh, don't forget the perfume though. You got to smell good.
Oh, that's right.
And the Pepsi.
Oh yeah, there's some Pepsi, some perfume. Oh, there's cigars too.
Oh, and I thought they'll give me a little cigar.
No, you do not. All right, well, let's look at the liquor while we're here.
It is so hard to walk.
Look at that bottle. That is a very cool bottle. It's shaped like a chili.
Yeah. It's so hard to walk in here. I'm literally sliding.
Yeah, it's very slippery.
So I'm sliding. Oh, right here. I have grip in my shoes, so get wrecked.
$543 for a box, 25.
Yeah, see, these are real.
Yeah, Cohibas.
These are the real Cubans
The real deal.
$22.
for 3 of them.
This little
That's insane. That's over $100 per cigar.
$222.
No, thank you. What's funny is we never go in these kind of shops.
Smell me now.
Oh, you smell good now?
I smell good.
We don't smell like mildew anymore. Oh, is it cologne?
Yeah, go douse yourself down with some good smelling cologne.
Oh, it's hard to. I'm gonna get down by the nature of water and
Oh Lord, we might actually be in trouble in this
we
shop.
might actually buy something.
So the snorkel masks are going on because the rain is not stopping. So we're gonna head back to the ship,
Snorkel mask and just,
but we're gonna be silly about it.
we're gonna make shenanigans out of this situation. We're going in. Snorkel's up, you ready? We're going in.
We're
Good.
Y'all look awesome. Are y'all gonna wear them in the store? Okay. Okay. Fantastic! We're going back! Go. have to take your mask off so they can recognize your face. They work.
So many comments, people. This is my mask. Bad idea.
This is my mask.
That is your mask.
We'll make the best of a bad situation.
I know, right? Whew, that was
It
hilarious.
says remove before use. I don't think so.
Oh well, we'll get it off when we actually go snorkeling.
How fogged it is.
Oh my god, funny. We will never, ever forget this day in Cozumel.
Oh, God, no.
All we did was get off the ship and get back on, but
We had more fun.
we had more fun walking through the port wearing snorkel masks. I didn't have one, but I got to capture it all on this camera.
I told you.
I had a towel over my head trying to keep me and the camera dry. Oh, that was epic.
We got quite a few laps. Quite a few chuckles.
We will
I have the ring around my head.
Oh yeah.
That baby was on.
You have a snorkel face?
I don't know.
No, you
Tell you what, it
don't.
makes for a nice face shield. Everybody kept walking past going, you know, that's not a bad idea. I mean, we got more laughs. It was so funny. We were just sitting there, you know, being bored, trying to figure out what we're going to do. And I'm like, hey, let's break out the snorkel masks.
Cameron said, how about we just get the snorkel masks and go back on the ship? And I was like, that sounds like a really good idea. And Dad said, yeah, let's do it.
That was awesome. Still raining. I don't see it letting up. There's one kid in the pool having a really good time. Yep. It's just gonna rain. And rain some more today.
This is my new water shoes that A-Leader sent us. And we didn't get a chance. We got rained out in Cozumel, and that was going to be my first experience to test them out. But anyway, in the pool, they're holding up.
And you walked around port with them and they were comfortable.
They don't come off. They suction well to your feet. They feel like really good tennis shoes. They're very soft and padded, so they feel great. No rubbing on the back of my heels or anything like that. Feels just like a nice, comfortable tennis shoe that you spend a lot of money on.
But they don't hold water.
They breathe very, very
Yeah.
well. They don't hold water. I haven't been in the sand with them yet, so we'll see how that goes. But the water comes right out of it, and
Yeah, you just walk through a drenched port.
the water comes right out of them because in the bottom of these soles, look at
Or
these
holes.
See all these holes? It's just made to where it just drains right through, so it doesn't hold any water. Super comfortable. I mean, you can run in them. I love them. I love them.
And Jason doesn't love many things.
These are cool. At first I was like, I'm not too crazy about these colors, but you know, when you're in the Caribbean, you're in the water, these are the kind of the bright, fun colors that you want.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know, so, and it matches my shorts very well.
It does. You look very snazzy.
Yeah. Anyway, A-Leader, excellent shoe. I'm very happy with them so far. We'll see how they stand up in the sand, but I got high expectations.
Yeah. The water is chilly. Aren't my toes cute? Got my carnival toes. So we're just chilling, waiting for taco time. Just chilling by the pool, which is empty now. We got the pool to ourselves.
Check out those shoes. A-Leader.
You're hilarious. Oh my gosh. This is what a pool looks like when everybody's in shore.
I feel like I want a cannonball.
I dare you. I double dare you. Okay, so it is 10 minutes till taco time. We're right here by Blue Iguana. We're waiting for 10 more minutes and then they open and Jason's getting a taco salad and I'm getting regular tacos.
Yum, yum, yum,
It's taco time.
I was debating. I was torn. Do I get a taco salad or do I get hamburger patty?
But you
And I was
already
like,
had that.
Easy. You get a taco salad and then you go get a burger patty. Why not?
But you had eggs like less than an hour ago.
You gotta keep, you gotta keep your body, keep that metabolism running and going. We had what, 3 eggs? over easy that you can get at the
omelet station.
By the way, if you don't like the buffet eggs, the scrambled eggs,
which are
I think
terrible.
Terrible. Just go to the omelet station and say, hey, let me get over easy eggs.
Yep.
Or however you like them prepared. And they'll cook them for you to order.
Yep, because they don't advertise that. It just says omelet station.
It's on the down low. Keep it chill though, because we don't want a whole bunch, we don't want big lines. We want to get our eggs, right?
Right, we want to get our eggs.
It's just our little secret. But, yeah, I got twice today. I got eggs over easy. And they were
Now
good.
it's taco time.
Those were real eggs, not
Yes.
not diluted down with water or whatever. However they prepare those darn
Plastic
scrambled
eggs.
eggs.
Plastic eggs, whatever. We're waiting very patiently for Blue Iguana to open because it's taco time. No, it's not. I was gonna say it's Taco Tuesday, but it's Monday. But tomorrow we will get authentic Mexican tacos in Costa Maya, and we can say Taco Tuesday.
Going in.
You're going in?
XT1000 Super Subject.
It's weird, isn't it?
It's a little funky. A little weird. It's good though.
It's officially taco time. Yes. Mmm. I want fish.
Enjoy your taco.
Thank you. And then so you take them over here. And this is where all of the lettuce, tomatoes, and everything is. So I'm gonna doctor them up and I'll show you the finished product.
So I'm gonna put it to the test. And I got me a couple of lemons.
And a salt rimmed cup.
And a salt rimmed cup. So I'm gonna lick my cup. Salt. Oh, salt.
It is raining, Angel. That's what those drops are.
Suck a little lemon. Drink a little beer.
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to maximize my mileage